In May 2024, amidst the backdrop of broader economic trends, the U.S. economy reveals intriguing micro-pockets of deflation across various consumer goods and services, providing a nuanced perspective on pricing dynamics. Deflation, defined as a sustained decrease in the general price level of goods and services, stands in contrast to inflation, where prices typically rise over time. Analyzing the latest Consumer Price Index (CPI) data for May 2024 highlights significant year-over-year declines in numerous consumer categories. Notably, prices for essential groceries like apples have plummeted by a substantial 13.2%, while other staples such as ham, -5.4%, cheese, -3.4%, potatoes, -3.2%, fresh fish and seafood, -2.6%, citrus fruits, -2.5%, roasted coffee, -2.5%, fresh milk, -2.2%, rice, -2%, and fresh cakes and cupcakes, -1.2%, have also seen notable decreases. These reductions underscore adjustments in supply chains and agricultural output, contributing to lower consumer costs for these everyday necessities. Beyond groceries, the deflationary trend extends into various physical goods. Used cars and trucks, for instance, have experienced a significant decline of 9.3% in prices, reflecting market corrections following heightened demand during the initial stages of the COVID-19 pandemic. Similarly, prices for furniture, including items for living rooms, kitchens, and dining rooms, have decreased by 3.3%, with bedroom furniture registering a 2.7% drop. The technology sector has also witnessed reductions, with prices for computers and peripherals falling by 2.2% and televisions showing a decline of 6.6%. Economists attribute these deflationary pressures to several key factors. During the pandemic, disruptions in global supply chains led to shortages and subsequent price spikes across various sectors. As these supply chain challenges gradually ease and production capacity improves, prices for goods such as cars, electronics, and furniture have moderated accordingly. Additionally, the appreciation of the U.S. dollar relative to other major currencies has facilitated cheaper imports, contributing further to the downward pressure on prices. In contrast, certain service sectors have also experienced deflationary trends. Travel-related expenses, including airline fares, -5.9%,